This had to be faster this second time. I don't know, maybe not.
He said it took about 45 the first time.
Yeah, what's this, do you know?
I don't.
Yeah.
It's 8:45 right now.
Oh, really? Oh,
Oh shoot, wait, no it's not.
it's slowing down. Oh, no.
Having a good time?
Okay.
No spinning anymore. You get sick?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, we're trying to skate Miles.
Dan, how are you always ahead of me?
Because of your facial expressions in pictures. Let's see it. Oh yeah. Miles is still kicking. At least your tube's not popped.
What?
At least your tube's not popped this time.
I know, because this is a good tune. I'm trying to catch up with Ethan and Thomas.
Right over here is where the current's at.
Yeah, I know. I'm getting pushed out the current every time.
Lift up. There you go. Get over here, Ike. Nope. You got a ways. Well, you're about ready to run over a tree if you don't keep pedaling hard. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
I don't know whose tube this is, but I think I popped it.
Yeah, it looks like it.
It is flat. Flatter than a pancake. So deflated. I'm just like wedged in here, you know?
Oh, you got about another.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
Dang.
We got patches. You're gonna hit a. Yeah, you're gonna.
How much longer do we have?
You got a quarter mile.
Is your car at the bottom?
No, my car's right here. I'll make it down there before you.
Everyone else probably done.
Your buddy's way down there.
Yeah.
What happened?
I don't know.
All right, well, I'm gonna go find the end.